Hello children, I am Miss Jayashree here. Today we will discuss little about survey. So all of you know that we are using two different types of survey sheets. One is 45D by 10 and another is 45D by 7. So children, before discussing the survey different features, first of all we will discuss about the colors on the topo sheet or the survey map given over here. So first one is yellow color. See children, before discussing the survey map over here, we will discuss about the different colors which are there in our survey sheet. Here yellow color is given, here green color is given, here the lines are in black, the grids are in red color given over here, and the settlements with red color and different black lines, black circles, different colors are used over here. So how you will identify the features in relationship with the colors we will discuss now today. So let us discuss about the colors on the survey sheet. First of all, yellow color. Yellow color in the survey sheets denotes as the cultivated area or the agricultural area. Second, green color on the survey map, that is the forested area. Blue color on the survey map, all the water bodies which are perennial well, river channel, tanks, reservoirs, etc. D. Brown color. Contour lines with their numberings, stony waste, gravel waste, sandy features are marked with brown color. Now, white color. Barren land, uncultivated area, wasteland, island in a river, these all are denoted with white color. F. Red. Grid lines, metalled and unmetalled roads, car tracks, pack tracks, settlements, herds, buildings, means the settlements, different types of houses, whether it may be permanent or temporary, they all are colored with red color. Next one, G, that is the black color. It is used for survey trees and have a number written on their trunk. River banks, broken ground, dry stream, height, railway lines, telephone and telegraph lines, lines of latitude and longitudes, all are denoted with black color. Now children, let us discuss about the drainage pattern, means the river system in our survey sheet. See children, this is the main river over here, the Sipu river. The Sipu river is over here. So how you can identify the flow of a river? Actually, the flow of a river course will be from the higher altitude to the lower altitude, and also how it is divided into different tributaries. So how you will identify in the survey map? So we will study about that, about the drainage pattern, means the river system or the river pattern in our survey sheet. How to identify them in our survey sheet, how the river can be identified in a survey sheet. Mainly the flow of a river, the direction of a river, as well as the pattern of distribution of the tributaries, in which pattern it is present, that all we will discuss in the drainage pattern. So children, now we will discuss about the drainage pattern. First point, perennial rivers are shown by the blue color. Already water bodies we discussed that the blue color, whereas seasonal streams areas are dotted in the black. Next point, the direction of a flow of a river can be found out by the location of the spot heights, which indicate the slope of land. River flows from the high land to the lower land. So suppose from the higher elevation to the lower elevation the river flows, because we have to study over there the spot height. Which one is the greater spot height? From that direction to the lowest spot height the river will flow. Next point, there are generally 4 different types of drainage patterns in our survey sheet we will find. First one is dendritic pattern. Second one is trilized pattern. Third one is radial pattern. Fourth one is disappearing streams. Children, again I am discussing you about the drainage patterns in our survey sheet. First one is dendritic, second one is trilized, third one is radial, and fourth one is disappearing. So now we will go in detail to the dendritic pattern. First one, dendritic pattern. See children, just like a tree it is appearing over here, just like a tree, and its branches, sub-branches like this. So this line where arrow mark is given over here, this is the main river. And how it is divided into like this, the tributaries. Branches are the tributaries. So the flow of a river will look like these branches, means then you will say it as a dendritic pattern of drainage system. Dendritic pattern. The tributaries spread out like branches of a tree joining the main river. See, this is the main river and they are distributed like the dendrites, like the branches of the trees. So, this is the main river and this is the tributary. So, this is the dendritic pattern of drainage. I am showing you over here children in the survey sheet. See, here one type of drainage pattern is given over here. See, all of you, this is the main river. From the main river it comes out the tributary. From the main river, the tributary came out, and like this branches it is divided. So it is the dendritic pattern of drainage system. Now we will discuss children about the trilized pattern. Trilized pattern of the drainage system. It is the main river over here, just parallel lines will be there, the branches of the streams right angle to the main river. They are right angle to the main river. See here, they will form the right angle over here. So, trilized pattern. In this type, the tributaries join the main river at right angle pattern. Okay. See children, trilized pattern. Here, the main river, here the tributaries will form a right angle over here, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So, this is the trilized pattern of drainage system. Now, we will discuss about the radial pattern. Radial means circular. Here, the streams flows in all directions from the highest point. This pattern of drainage is found where the conical hills will exist in the hilly areas. In the hilly areas mainly the radial type of drainage pattern is found. See children, the rivers will flow over here from the conical hill. This is a conical hill. This is the contour lines over here, and from a highest spot height to the lowest spot height, the rivers will flow from all directions. First is 240 meters, 220 meters and 200 meters. So, the radial pattern of drainage, in a circular way they will flow. Suppose this is the elevation of a hill, you imagine over here, and from all sides the river will flow over like this. This is the radial pattern of drainage system. See the diagram over here children. Here the streams flow in all directions from the highest point. This pattern of drainage is found where a conical hill is present. Now children, we will discuss about the disappearing drainage pattern. You will see over here some rivers will be flowing like this. Some rivers will be flowing like this here. See, here the rivers will be flowing like this and they will disappear over here. Some sandy features, somewhere sandy features will be present and dotted like appearance will be there, and the rivers will be disappeared over here. So, we will discuss about the disappearing drainage pattern. This pattern is found mainly in the desert areas or in the sandy areas where the rivers disappear after flowing due to the high rate of evaporation, because it is a dry area. So, desert area, dry area where the rate of evaporation will be more and the soil is loose and porous. So, the stream of a river or the tributaries, when they will come out, they will flow to a certain extent and again they will disappear in the sands. They will disappear in the sands. See, this is the main river. Tributaries came out like this and again they disappeared. I put here the dotted marks over here. So children, this is about the disappearing drainage pattern. So now we will see over here, children. See, let us have a glance over here. The Sipu River. The Sipu River. Suppose a arrow mark is given over here, means towards the arrow the flow of the river will be there. See here, different tributaries came out just like a branch of the trees over here. So this is which type of drainage in this grid? The trellised type. Trellised type. So like this, a question will be asked over here. One grid will be given over here and you have to find out what type of drainage pattern is over here. Or two grids will be given over here and you have to compare what type of drainage in this grid and what type of drainage is present in this grid. Understood, children? So we will meet in the next class with the settlements.